Hey everybody, so I just wanted to show you the finished result. This is not all the jars. There's 3 other jars sitting on the other side of my counter. Didn't have room to put them all over here, but this is what the sauce looks like. Came out amazing. Really happy. It's still settling in there. You can still see it still boiling right there. You see those bubbles? Still boiling. Looks amazing. I had a little bit of siphoning on a couple of these jars. Don't know why. I had my heat properly on. They were all an inch headspace, and the spacing looks really good. It's all the way up to the top. So, or the rim right here, it's still up a half or an inch headspace. So I'm not sure what happened. I do always have some siphoning with sauce, and it wasn't really bad, but just a little bit on that jar right there, and then a little bit on this jar. Oh, and that one too. The rest of them are fine. So, don't know. But I'm sure that they'll be fine and delicious. And I hope you guys try to make this and let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching. So the word of this video is going to be Italy, because we made Sicilian sauce from Italy. So if you watched all the way through, please put the word Italy on the bottom and you will be entered for a chance to win on this video. And your chances, the more videos you put the word of the day on, the more chances you have to win. And I will be announcing prizes next week. Today is Saturday, the 24th of July, 2021. The entries are going to close probably on Tuesday, so you have until Tuesday to enter, and I look forward to giving stuff away, and it will be in a live, and you do need to be a subscriber. You need to be subscribed to my channel to win, and I look forward to giving stuff away, and please look forward to more videos coming. I have a ton of produce in from my garden, and we're going to be doing a lot of videos, you guys. So thank you for watching, and I will see you guys soon. Have a great weekend. Oh, and please hit that thumbs up and leave a comment. Don't forget, Italy.